Hopefully clear skies in Cleveland, and for us, we're going to get a pretty good view for what we will be able to see, right?
Yeah, that's right. You know, a lot of the path of totality, Cheryl, it's looking like they are going to actually be dealing with some clouds. So unfortunately, you know, some spots, they are going to be having some trouble. But here in Atlanta, while initially we were afraid that we were going to be dealing with some of that cloud cover, it looks like it's actually going to be a little bit clearer. You see that some of these major cities in the path of totality, that's going to be Austin, Texas, Dallas, Little Rock, Arkansas, Paducah, Kentucky, Cleveland, Ohio. Of course, we just heard from them. You see that they are also going to be right there in that path of totality. Take a look at the eclipse timeline for us. By 1:45, you see the eclipse will begin. By 3:04, we'll be at 80 to 85% coverage of the sun, the moon moving over it. We are still going to get a good amount of light around this. It's not going to be as significant as what we had back in 2017 for here in Atlanta, that is. And then by 4:21, we will have the eclipse come to an end. So what's the forecast looking like? Yesterday, we were talking about how there could be a lot of cloud cover, but things have improved. It's now looking like we'll be mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Temperatures in the 70s. That is much better than what we were talking about yesterday. Remember, yesterday we were talking about a ton of cloud cover that was going to be in far north Georgia, but thankfully the shower activity that was going to be impacting us, let's look off to the northwest, it's now looking like it's staying a little bit further away from us. With this shower activity staying further away, it means we get less clouds and we get a better view of the eclipse. So your eclipse cloud cover here as we head throughout the afternoon time frame for the eclipse itself, starting at 1:30, 1:45. You see that we're going to have, again, about half the sky covered when you get closer on over towards the Alabama border. Closer to the Alabama border, that's going to be where we have a majority of the cloud cover for the event. We move towards the 3:04 time frame. You see that we get a little bit more clouds over here, maybe a couple of clouds starting to build in there for areas of Marietta and Peachtree City, but still great viewing in Atlanta. And then the cloud cover really builds in by the end of the eclipse and afterwards with some very cloudy skies by the time we head into tonight and some shower activity moving in. We'll talk more about all of that coming up. Crash.
All right, Andrew, appreciate that.